A nested loop is any loop statement inside the body of another loop statement. The nested loop is referred to as an inner loop, and the loop that contains the nested loop is referred to as the outer loop. And in this example, we could see that we have an outer loop that's looping 10 times from 0 to I is less than 10, and the inner loop will repeat itself 5 times from j is 0 until j is less than 5. Also, in this example, we're showing nested loops using for loops, but you can have nested while loops. You can have a while loop inside of a for loop inside of a while loop, or any combination of these loops, and even do while loops to form nested loops. It's just any looping structure inside another looping structure. So let's try out the nested for loops and see what it looks like. So let's create a loop for int I equals 0. I is less than 3, I plus plus, and inside the body of this loop, let's add another for loop for int, and we can't use I again because I is within the scope of where I'm currently typing, so let's use j. J is 0, j is less than 2, j plus plus, and let's make this code do something. So this is the outer loop, and this is the inner loop. Let's make the outer loop print out a word, apples, and we'll make the inner loop print out the word oranges. So let's see what happens. So what's going to happen is for every iteration of the outer loop, this inner loop will execute a full cycle. It'll print out oranges twice. And then at the next loop iteration of the outer loop, the inner for loop will do another full cycle and print out oranges twice. So basically, for every time that apples gets printed out, 2 oranges will get printed out. And this is going to happen 3 times. So let's run the program, and we'll see that we get apples, oranges, oranges, apples, oranges, oranges, apples, oranges, oranges. And it's basically an example of a nested loop.